So hi guys, welcome to this video. I am Murari, and in this video we're gonna see about a C program related to file management, which is actually related to operating systems. So before getting into this video, let us see what are the basic requirements that we require to understand and execute this program successfully. So the first thing we need to execute this program is that the IDE. As we all know that IDE stands for Integrated Development Environment. So this is an interface between the programmer and the computer to execute, run and debug the program smoothly and easily. So I personally prefer VS Code as an IDE software to be used, as it is very easy and user friendly also. So first let me show the interface. So this is the interface of the VS Code. You can just download the VS Code by going to the Chrome and by typing as vscode.com, and you can just select the version if it is Windows for your Windows laptop, or if your laptop is a Mac, so you can just download it for Mac. So after downloading it, you can just here you'll be having an extension panel, so you can type whichever program extensions you require. For example, in this video, as we have chosen a C program, we can just type at C and C++. So here is a extension which is given by the Microsoft Inc. So I have already installed it. So when you guys install it for the first time, you can just add this extension. You can also add various extensions such as Python, for Ruby, and etc. So without any delay, so let's get into this video. These were the requirements you require to understand and execute this program. And also you will be requiring basic knowledge of C to understand this program. So let's see the program. So here is the program. The program begins with including the necessary header files such as the standard input output and the standard library, and declaring the main function. So here is the main function at the fourth line, and then next is the array initialization. An array f of square brackets, it means that we can give the size of the array f. So we have given 50, so the size 50 is declared to represent the allocation status of blocks in the file system, and it is initialized such that all elements are set to 0. So here if we have given that f of I is equal to 0, it means that it initializes all the blocks are set to 0. And then next, the user input printf, enter how many blocks already allocated. It means that it gives an opportunity to the user to input how many blocks have been already allocated, and then it scans, it takes the input from the user and it saves as address at P, and then it prints enter the blocks already allocated. Now we have to enter the blocks. First we have entered the number of blocks which have been allocated, and now we have to enter the blocks which are already allocated, and then it again takes the input and it stores. The program enters into a loop labeled X, where the user is prompted to input the index of the starting block ST and the length of the file to be allocated, and then the variable K is initialized when the length of the file is given. So the variable K is initialized with the length of the file along simultaneously, and then it checks for the available blocks. The program checks if the starting block is available for allocation. If available, it iterates through the blocks to be allocated and marks each block as allocated in the array. It also displays the allocated blocks to the user. So as soon as the user enters the blocks, it checks whether the block is empty or it's been allocated, and then it also shows which blocks have also been allocated. And next, if any of the blocks to be allocated are already allocated, the program adjusts the length of the file to be allocated accordingly and notifies the user. After each allocation request, the program prompts the user to indicate whether they want to enter more files or not. Here it asks, do you want to enter more files? If yes, you have to enter as 1, and if no, you have to enter 0. And then if the user chooses to enter more files, the program returns to the X loop. Otherwise, it exits. So here is the end of the program. So I hope you have understood the program. If not, let me know in the comment section below. And next, after understanding the program, after typing it, so let us try to compile it. So here is the terminal. Before you'll be not having this terminal, so I'll be showing you how to get this terminal. Here in this you'll be having a terminal section in the upper right corner, and click on new terminal. So here's the terminal panel. It will be showing the present directory there. You can just change it if your folder is in other directory. So I'll be changing it cd, and I have given my folder name as Murari OS, and here we go, and the directory has been changed. Now we'll be giving this gcc command, gcc space and the file name. I have given my file name as os assignment.cpp. Enter, and you can see that there are no errors, and if program has been executed successfully. If the program has been compiled successfully, there will be a exe file created. So to see whether it is created, you can just give it a command dot space dir, enter. So you can see that yeah, there is a .exe file created. So you can just give it as .a.exe. Yeah, you can just enter, and so here's the actual output of this program. It asks how many enter how many blocks already allocated. You can just randomly select as 3 and enter, and it asks enter blocks already allocated. So I'll be entering at 2 space 5 space 8. You can just give it randomly, and I'll be entering. And then it asks for enter index, starting, block and length. So I'll be giving it 12 space 3, and here you can see the output. 12 is 1, 13 is 1, and 14 is 1. And now it asks whether do you want to add more files. If yes, you have to press 1. If no, you have to press 0. So I'll be pressing it 1, enter. So it asks enter the index, starting, block and length. So I'll be typing at 8 and 4, 8 space 4, enter. It shows that 8 block is already allocated, and now it shows do you want to enter more files. So I'll be pressing 0. Yeah, and this is the end of your program, and hope you understood the program. If you have any queries, let me know in the comment section below. And okay, everything is done now. So before actually compiling and getting the output, we have to know the purpose of this program. So let us see the applications of this program. So the main applications of this program is education and learning. The program serves as a value educational tool for students studying operating systems and file management. It provides a hands-on experience for understanding linked file allocation strategies and their implications. And not just in education of operating system, it is also used in researchers and development as well. Researchers and developers working on file system design and optimization can use this program to experiment with different file allocation strategies and analyze their performance under various scenarios. And also this program can be used in system administration. Can utilize this program to get insights into file allocation behavior and optimize file system configuration for better resource utilization and performance. So these were the main applications of this program. Hope you understood this program and they got to know how to get the output. So if you have any queries, again let me know in the comment section. Hope you like this video. Please like, share and comment. Thank you and bye bye.